Hi there, I'm Hao. This is just another video of me solving random numerical problem. So, find first and last position of the element in the sorted array. Um, so given an array that is sorted, right, we need to find the starting and ending position of a given target value. If the target is not in the array, return -1, -1. Okay, so for example, if we have 5, 5, oh sorry, 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, and then 10. And the target is 8, right? The target is 8. We're gonna return the index, right? The left and the right, which is 3 and 4, right? Depending on how many 8 do we have. So if we have 8 here also, right, then we need to return 5, right? So the first occurrence and the last occurrence, right? Yeah, first and last. Yeah, first and last position. Okay. And then if the target is fixed, right, which is we couldn't find it, then we can just return -1, -1. Right? If we only have one 8, one number 8, right, we can return the same index, right? But the first position is also the same as the last position. Yes. Okay. And then the requirement is that we need to do it in log. Okay, so how can we do that? We can find the leftmost index, right? That the leftmost index that the target appears in, right? So for example, we can find the leftmost index, right? We can find the rightmost index, right? The leftmost index is the index that that's the level index in the index that where its value is equal to the target, right? And it has to be on the leftmost side of the array, right? So that is corresponding to the first position. And similarly, the rightmost index is the index where its value equal to the target, and it is in the at the rightmost position in the array. So last position, right? So in this case, the leftmost index is 3, and the rightmost index is 4. So we can start by finding the leftmost index, right? We can do our regular binary search, right? So if mid, right, is smaller than the target, we can move to left equals to mid plus 1. But we can start out by setting the leftmost index and rightmost index to -1. Right, so we do our mid again, which is here, right? So because the middle value, the value at the middle index is equal to the target, right? So we set the leftmost index equal to index 4, right? Index 4 here, right? And then we cannot stop now, right? We need to iterate until the left and the right pointer overlap, right? We need to keep moving left, right? Now we already found the number, right? And because we want to find the leftmost index, so we need to keep moving left to see if there is any other number 8, right, appears on the left side, right? So we can set the right equal to the middle -1, right? So this one go left, this one is go right, right? So now our middle is still here, right? And then we found the value at index 3 is also equal to the target, right? So in that case, we need to update our leftmost index to 3 now, right? And because we found the target, we need to keep moving left to see if we found any other elements that equal to the target, right? So we can move to the left by setting the right equal to mid -1, right? Now they are overlapped, so we stop, right? So we have successfully found our leftmost index equals to 3, right? Which is the start position, right? Um, So the leftmost index, in other words, we can if we want to use use the word that is more closely related to the instruction, right? This is also called we can call it the first right position, right? First and last, the first position, right? This is the last position, right? So we the process to find the rightmost index of the last position, right? Left and right. Mid is here, right? Because the mid is smaller than the target, so we move to the right. So the left equal to mid plus one. Now our mid is here, right? So we set our mid index equal to 4, right? And now because we found right the target, right, we need to keep moving right to see if there's only any other number 8 up here on the right side, right? So we move to the right by setting the left equal to mid plus 1. So now our mid is here, right? Now the value at this index is larger than the target, right? So we want to move left, right? So we set left equal to mid minus 1 as usual. Now we overlap, right? So we stop. So at the end, we found our first and the last position here, right? And then we can just return it. So yeah, let's code this up. So we can have our leftmost index equal to 5 file index. So this is we're gonna pass in the left and the right, right? Which is just gonna be 0 and then that length minus 1. Okay, and we're gonna have a flag to see if whether we are searching for the leftmost index or the rightmost index. Okay, so if it is the leftmost index, right? We do left, and then if it is right, we need to pass in the right flag, and then we can return it at the end. Like return leftmost index and then rightmost index, and we need to create our helper function by file index equal to left, taking the left and the right, and then the file. Right? The bar means it is whether it is left bar or the right bar. Right? So we need to remember we start out by setting the we start out by setting the leftmost index and rightmost index to -1, right? So we can say bar index, right, equal to -1, right? And then we can return the bar index at the end. Okay. So y left is less than or equal to right. We have to calculate our mid index, right, equal to left plus my dot floor of right minus left divided by 2. And we can compare our if num at mid is smaller than the target, so we need to move to the right, passing the left equal to mid uh plus 1. Now if the nums at mid are larger than the target, then we need to move left by setting the right equal to mid minus 1. Right? Else. Okay, so in this else case, in this else branch, which means we have found the target, right? So we need to set the bound index equal to the middle index, right? Remember? Okay. And now we if and now if we are finding the leftmost index, we need to keep moving left, right? And if we are finding the rightmost index, we need to move right. So you can check, right? If the bound is equal to the left, right? So we are finding the leftmost index, so we need to keep going to the left side to see if we gonna find any uh number that is equal to the target, right? And we are moving left by hitting the right equal to mid minus 1. Right? Similarly, if the bound is equal to the right, right? We're gonna set the left equal to mid plus 1 towards the right side. And then we know that we always, the bar gonna be always be left and right, because we are the one who pass that in. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Let's give it a try, accept it. And it worked. We were able to do it in Logovin. So thank you for watching.